Moo.
Meow.
Yay.
You smell tasty.
Quit sniffing my butt, you little faggot. Psh.
What are you guys doing?
I was just.
He was sniffing my butt.
Sicko.
Get it, John.
Giant! Oh my god! He's gonna eat us! Run away! Run away! Jump in the pond with the fish!
Hey, we're just making fun of this red fish. Ha ha ha. Yeah, Bob, you're funny.
You guys are so mean.
Racist.
Here comes the goat.
Bah, bah, bah.
Hey guys, what's up?
I'm a jackass.
You're a whore. Give me a kiss.
Let's do it doggy style too.
Come on, let's do it. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, no. Bah, bah.
You little cheater, I'm gonna smack you. You want me to eat your head? Where's my black girl? Hey, boys, you wanna eat me? Bitch, you wanna go? I got my fist out. I'm gonna kick your ass. I'm gonna kick your ass right now. Oh my god. Where'd that boy come from? Oh, you gonna die. You cheating on my best friend.
Now all my people did. Oh no, I have a cat. Meow, 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 meow. What the fuck is that?
Hey, baby. You wanna go? Get Charlie.
Wait. Oh, you're gonna eat my cat.
I'm gonna go inside.
Okay.
Hey, you little fish, you little retard. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you because you're red.
You guys are mean. If you wanna eat me, I'll just jump out. Oh my god, a fish is flopping around.
Ah!
Nico, quit eating my food. You're eating our crackers. Say bye.
Bye.